If the wax-free toilet seal sits flush and compresses evenly against the flange and horn without gaps, you likely do not need a flange adapter. Start by removing the old seal and placing the new wax-free seal onto the flange, then gently lower the toilet straight down to test fit, without tightening any bolts. If the seal compresses evenly around the entire circumference and there is no lateral shift or visible gap at the joint, you can proceed without an adapter. Measure flange height from the finished floor to the top of the flange ring. Most manufacturers specify a height range, and if your flange sits below that range, an adapter raises the flange for a reliable compression seal. Also inspect for flange damage or irregularities such as cracks or missing material, because an adapter can help accommodate minor defects but will not correct a severely compromised flange. When using an adapter, choose one that matches the flange diameter and material and follow the torque guidance for bolts, so you do not overcompress the seal and deform it. Finally, after installation, run water through the toilet several times and check for leaks at the base and around the bolts. Then retorque bolts slightly if you see any seepage. Common mistakes include forcing an adapter when the seal already fits, which can create overcompression and cause deformation. Avoid this by test fitting without the adapter first, and only adding the adapter if you observe gaps or low flange height. Another issue is using the wrong adapter size, leading to poor alignment and leaks. Measure flange diameter and select an adapter that matches the pipe and flange dimensions precisely. A third concern is reusing an old warped seal or assuming bolt holes are centered, which can prevent a proper seal. Always install a new wax-free seal, center the toilet carefully over the flange, and use shims under the base if needed to ensure even compression. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who are actively seeking work and offers a discussion community where we share installation tips and product experiences. We help homeowners find contractors and help contractors find jobs, while fostering practical conversations in our site community.